You might have seen a video of this on the old TikTok. People are going nuts for Laundry Jet. Take a peek.
So I'm addicted to this, not in a literal medical sense, but I don't think I could live without it. It's very convenient.
So it's basically an updated power laundry chute that's installed with ports in any room in your house. It whisks clothes straight to the laundry room, so you really don't need laundry baskets or hampers.
Wow.
You wave your hand in front of it, it activates a vacuum effect for 20 seconds while you toss the laundry. And it can cost anywhere from $2,500 to $15,000, depending on how many ports and the size of your house. It'd be great if it could fold it, then fire it back out, right?
Yeah, like on the Jetsons.
That's not an eyesore at all, too, having one of those just on the middle of your wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks great.
How long before Johnny gets his arm sucked into that thing?
Wow.
Kind of digging it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So much fun. Makes laundry all the better.
Yeah.
So much fun.